Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. So, you have decided it is finally time to do a clean reinstall of Windows. But before you wipe anything, you need to back up your data. Because here's the thing. A clean reinstall wipes everything on your Windows drive. Documents, photos, downloads, desktop files, gone. Just like that. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple, reliable method to back up all your important data to an external drive before you reinstall Windows. Ready? Let's get into it. Step 1. Check and format your external drive. Plug your external drive into your PC. Then open File Explorer. You can press Windows key plus E on your keyboard to open it quickly. On the left side, find your external drive under This PC. Right-click on it and click Properties. In the Properties window, look at the line that says File System. If it says NTFS or exFAT, you are good to go. Skip ahead to Step 2. But if it says FAT32, you will need to reformat it. Why does this matter? Because if your drive is formatted as FAT32, it cannot handle individual files larger than 4 GB. So if you have any large video files or disk images, they simply will not copy over. Right-click the drive in File Explorer. Click Format. Under File System, select NTFS. Make sure Quick Format is checked. Then click Start. Windows will format the drive in a few seconds. Important, formatting will erase everything currently on the drive, so make sure it is empty or that you have already saved anything you need from it. Alright, now for the main event, actually copying your files over. This part is straightforward. Open File Explorer and navigate to your User folder. That's the C drive, then Users, then your username. You will see all your personal folders there. Documents, desktop, downloads, pictures, music, videos. Now, select the folders you want to back up. You can hold Control and click each folder to select multiple at once. Once you have selected everything, right-click on the selection and click Copy. Then navigate to your external drive in the left panel of File Explorer, click on it to open it, and right-click inside the empty space and click Paste. Windows will start copying the files over. Once your files have finished copying, do not just unplug the drive and assume everything is fine. Take a moment to open your external drive in File Explorer and browse through your backed up folders. Open a few files, a document, a photo, maybe a video, just to confirm they open correctly and have not been corrupted during the transfer. This takes about 2 minutes and can save you a lot of heartache later. And that is it! You now have a complete backup of your important data on your external drive, and you are fully ready to go ahead with your clean Windows reinstall. Thanks for watching Passionate About Tech, and I will see you in the next one.